Every single person in your life is essentially following the script that you have assigned to them. Everyone is you pushed out, or everyone is your ideas and your expectations of them pushed out, and everyone is literally working on proving your expectations and your beliefs of them correct. So, as this Valentine's Day approaches us, if there is a person, a partner, a friend, a family member you want back, if there is a relationship that you would either like to mend, or if there is a perfectly amazing new person you would like to attract in your life, and currently they act like they don't care about your existence, and no matter what you do, they act like they don't have anything to do with you and they just could not be bothered with you, then today we are going to change that. As you understand what makes you and this person tick, as you understand the secret to making anybody like you. And the very first thing I want to tell you is that it has nothing to do with what you have, how you look, and anything else on the external at the very least. And everything is being controlled by your internal identity, your locus of identity. Listen, everyone is you pushed out is a powerful Neville Goddard concept, but oftentimes it's misunderstood simply as okay, others will treat me in a way I feel like I deserve to be treated. But if that were true, every single person in your life would treat you the same way. But I guarantee you that there are some people in your life, or there are your pets, who treat you like you are everything to them in their world. So everyone is you pushed out. The partial correct meaning is, of course, that you get treated in a way you feel that you deserve to be treated, but the deeper meaning also is that everyone is you pushed out. You. If you've read about the I am concepts of Neville Goddard, you. Now, you have a belief, you as an identity, right? You as a default neural network system, you as your subconscious beliefs have a belief about everyone in your life. And that exactly is the you that we are talking about here. You meaning you and your subconscious beliefs about yourself and everybody else. Which is the reason why some people treat you like you're the absolute gem, but other people might treat you like they absolutely don't care. And you can absolutely change it. Because if you've been on my channel, how do you change your subconscious beliefs? I literally told you that you, your self concept, your identity has a subconscious belief about everything and everybody. How do we change those beliefs on this Valentine's Day? If you really want to end up attracting people, the right clients, even like, let's just not make it about love. So many of us are having our own businesses, do our own jobs. So you want to attract the perfect client, you want to attract the perfect job. How do you go about doing that? The perfect partners for you on this Valentine's Day. Beliefs are created via repetition. A method in your direct control. Repeats are literally created via repetition. So, the very first thing in everyone is you pushed out that I want you to do today is to take that one person that you would like to attract in your life, whoever it is, and write down their exact characteristics, like what kind of person they are with you, how do they behave with you, what your relationship is like. Take this seriously, guys. Like this this work, right, that you don't spend time defining what your relationship with this person is going to be like is exactly why you don't have them. Is exactly why your affirmations are not working. Because maybe you're speaking the wrong affirmation. Is exactly why your affirmations don't create an impact or your visualizations are not that detailed because you don't have an idea of what this relationship should look like to you. So you've got to write it down, and this is a one time exercise. And let me tell you, most people skip this exercise, and hence most people fail at manifestation They don't clearly define what they want, and hence they don't get what they want. They want something today, then it gets changed into something else yesterday. Like, the definition of what they want is not clear, and the universe works on definitions. What do you want? If you keep changing your order, let's say you're in a restaurant and you keep changing your order, believe me, you're not going to get any food that day at the very least till you place an order and just quiet down and accept that it's going to show up for you. Is that not how it happens? Universe is also like a restaurant. You go there and you order what you want. So before you can order what you want, decide what you want clearly in one go. And all it takes is 10-15 minutes. I know many of you must be thinking, here comes the ramble. She's rambling on about the very first step of manifestation. I am rambling on about the very first step of manifestation because this is the step most people ignore, most people miss, and hence most people fail with that manifestation. So write down. I know the shorts and the social media has literally affected our attention span where we just don't want to sit down and do the work, but close everything, sit down, and please define what the ideal relationship looks like. Because when you do this, if you do this first step correct, everything else is going to become so easy. It's going to be super easy. So trust me on this. Write down what that person's relationship with you looks like. So once that is done, I told you beliefs are created via repetition. I also told you that everybody has a script in your life, right? Like, you believe that script. You expect them to behave with you in a certain way. Now, many of you would have heard about the law of expectation, that whatever you expect to achieve or whatever your assumptions are, it's all the same thing. But whatever you expect to achieve or receive in your life, that's exactly what you will get. How do these expectations or beliefs or assumptions get created? Repetition. Now, this is step two, very, very essential. You are going to have to spend a minimum of 15 minutes every day visualizing your dream life, visualizing living that ideal relationship with that person. Now, of course, you can affirm here, you can rampage here, but the way that I like to manifest, that has been actually working really well these days for me, is that I visualize for 15 minutes and then I robotically affirm throughout the day whenever I get the chance. And this combination really works because visualization, because we are visual beings, everything that we do is like visual, right? So visualization is extremely potent, extremely powerful, and it has been proved by neuroscience to create quicker impacts onto your subconscious beliefs. Now, trust me when I tell you this, you don't need to have the perfect visualization. Like, your images could be blurred, they could not be clear. It's all right. It's all right. We're not talking about you visualizing as if you're watching a movie on the theater of your mind. At least at the very beginning, that might not happen or it might take a little bit effort, but visualize. Spend 15 minutes. But if visualization absolutely does not work for you, uh, instead of robotic affirming, I would say rampage so that you can, incorporate various aspects of your dream reality into your mind for those 15 minutes and then robotic affirm throughout the day, right? Because that robotic affirming, that repetition cements a reality in your mind. But these 15 minutes that I'm talking about of living in the end, basically rampaging and visualizing, tell your subconscious mind what your life would look like after you already have it. So when I told you to write down what your relationship with this person looks like, did you notice I did not ask you to write how you guys would come into a relationship? I told you to write about what the relationship would look like after you are already committed. So that's living in the end. So when you rampage or visualize living in the end for 15 minutes, that's literally going to be a game changer, and it's backed by neuroscience as well, right? And it literally translates into reality and gives your brain essentially cannot differentiate between something that's happening, like something that your eyes are seeing, or something that you're simply visualizing. So you do it. 15 minutes of visualizing rampaging. Rampaging is essentially repeating affirmations or speaking sentences as if you already have it, right? So that's why I asked you to write a detailed description of what your relationship would look like. So you can literally read that description for 15 minutes, repeat that in affirmations, visualize going out on dates or meeting with this person and having the best conversations and literally talking about the future together. Visualize all these things, rampage about all these things, and then robotically affirm, pick one or two affirmations that tell you that you already have your person and you can use these throughout the day. And this is how beliefs are created. So, do you have to do anything else? No. Once the belief is created via repetition, your script now regarding this person has changed, which means that your expectations about this person has changed, your beliefs about this person has changed, and thus this person has no choice but to act according to your beliefs. And that is everyone is you pushed out. They were always acting in accordance with your beliefs. But now you've taken control of your beliefs, changed your beliefs, and hence they have to change their behavior. Here are some important points that you need to understand also, that when I tell you everyone is you pushed out, their behavior with other people might be anything. But with you, right? Because you control your behavior, I mean, their behavior with you, right? You control your portion of the reality. So, doesn't matter how they are, what their nature is, and how they behave with others, with you, this person will be the definition of perfection according to you. And that's how everyone is you pushed out works. So thank you so much for joining me here today. I am Neha Kumar. Subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed yet. Like this video, comment Master Manifestor. To book personal coaching, check the description box or my pinned comment for all the details, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.